FieldEdge and ServiceTitan both target HVAC companies, but they solve growth differently. FieldEdge focuses on speed and day-to-day field service. ServiceTitan goes deeper into sales, reporting, and scaling operations. By the end of this, you'll know which one makes more sense for your HVAC business, and whether paying more for ServiceTitan is actually worth it. Here's the short answer. FieldEdge is usually better for small to mid-sized HVAC businesses that want faster setup and simpler workflows. ServiceTitan is usually better for larger companies that need more visibility and stronger sales systems. Start with FieldEdge. FieldEdge is built for service work. You can schedule jobs, dispatch techs, manage invoices, and track customer history in one place. That covers the core HVAC workflow. A customer calls for an AC repair. You dispatch the tech, they complete the work, and collect payment. That process is clean. FieldEdge also connects well with QuickBooks, which matters if your accounting already lives there. That makes financial management easier for smaller shops. The strength is simplicity. Office staff usually get comfortable with it faster. Technicians can use the mobile app without much training. That keeps adoption smoother. But the trade-off is depth. FieldEdge handles service operations well, but reporting and sales performance tracking are lighter. That's where ServiceTitan is stronger. ServiceTitan is built for scaling. It does scheduling and dispatch too, but the bigger difference is what happens after the job starts. Technicians can build replacement options, offer financing, and track close rates inside the platform. That matters in HVAC because system replacements are often the highest margin jobs. The reporting is much deeper too. Owners can track average ticket size, technician revenue, memberships, and conversion rates. That gives stronger business visibility. But ServiceTitan is heavier. Training takes longer. Setup takes longer. And for smaller teams, it can feel like too much. Here's the practical breakdown. Pick FieldEdge if your biggest priority is clean dispatching, customer management, and easier day-to-day service operations. Pick ServiceTitan if your biggest priority is growing sales, managing installs, and tracking business performance at a deeper level. A 5-tech residential HVAC company will often move faster with FieldEdge. A 25-tech company doing heavy replacements and memberships will usually get more from ServiceTitan. The 3 things to remember are simple. FieldEdge is simpler, ServiceTitan is deeper, and the better choice depends on whether you need efficiency or scale. The next step is to check where your business loses the most money right now: admin time or missed sales opportunities. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.